Dear students, welcome to today's class. So today also I am going to explain only 5 problems which were given in previous JEE Mains examinations, then how to do these problems with very short trick formulas. Okay, so without wasting our valuable time, so let us start our class. So today's first problem is, if a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is trisected. Trisected means what? That point is divides the line in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. At a point A is equal to 4/3, which is nearer to x-axis. That point A 4,3 is nearer to x-axis, then its equation is. It was asked in 2014 mains. So let us see the solution. Generally what they will students do, they start drawing a diagram, x-axis, y-axis. The point is 4,3 as which is in the first quadrant. Okay, this line is which is nearer to x-axis. Of course, it is a nearer to x-axis, nearer to x-axis. Okay, clear. Trisected at a point A which is nearer to x-axis. So this is a line. Generally, this is a line. Okay, so we want to find out the equation of this line. Trisected means what? Since this point is nearer to x-axis, so we can take this as a 1 and it is 2, 1:2 ratio. Okay, you may ask one doubt, sir, we can take 2:1, no sir, yes, but to avoid that, he said that the point is nearer to x-axis. That's why this should be 1 and this should be 2, 1:2 ratio. Generally students, what you do? Generally, immediately you can say one thing. So here if you find out the equation of the line, the x-intercept is positive and y-intercept is also positive, so that you can avoid the first option. Why? Because here the x-intercept is positive and y-intercept will come negative. Therefore, first option can be eliminated. So any one of the answers, either B or C or D. Generally students, what they will do, they will take the point, this is A comma 0 and this is a 0 comma B and this is a x comma y. They started mx2. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and they will start my2 plus ny1 by m plus n is equal to 4 comma 3. They substituted and they will get values of A and B, and afterwards you will get the solution. But without doing that, is there any short formula for this? Yes, it is. There is a short formula to do this problem. Okay, so what is that short formula? I will explain now. So dear students, let us see the short formula. So this is a y-axis and it is a x-axis origin. So there is a line. So this point of Px1 comma y1 is a lies between the x-axis and y-axis, and it is the point P divides AB in the ratio m:n. So if you want to find out equation of AB, the formula is nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to m plus n. The formula is there. Okay now. So in our problem, so here what is there? 4 comma 3, here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Substitute here nx1, n means how much? N means how much? 2. So this is a 2x by x1 is a 4 plus m is equal to how much? 1 into y by y1 value is 3. This implies m plus n, 2 plus 1. So this is equal to, so 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. So 2 3s are, so this is equal to 3x plus 2y. This is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 6 are 18. So 3x plus 2y is your correct answer. Understand? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. Tangents are drawn from the point -2 comma -1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Of course. So if alpha is the angle between these tangents, then tan alpha is equal to. Very easy problem. It was asked in 2014. Okay, generally students, what they will do is first immediately they will start drawing the diagram. So this is a y square is equal to 4x1, 4x. What is the point? -2 comma -1, -2 comma -1. So there are tangents are drawn, right? So if it is alpha, they are asked to find out tan alpha. So tan alpha is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Generally they will write the formula. So they will start taking the slope of the one tangent is m. Therefore, what is the formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. We have the condition c is equal to a by m. C is equal to a means here y square is equal to 4ax. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by m. So, therefore, y is equal to mx plus 1 by m. Okay now? Right. So, this straight line is passing through the point minus 2 comma minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 2x plus minus, sorry. So, this is a x value minus 2. So, therefore, minus 2m by m. They will start, we will get a quadratic equation. So, sum of the roots m1 plus m2, product of the roots m1 into m2. They will substitute here and we will get the answer. So, it is a routine method, generally everybody will do, but don't go for this method. Okay, there is a direct formula is there. So, if you read the synopsis of the chapter parabola, so there you will get a direct formula. Now, I will going to explain that formula. Okay, so let us see the short trick. So, dear students, welcome to the short trick. So, whatever may be the parabola is there, y square is equal to 4ax. So, from a point you have drawn, the point is px1 comma y1. You have drawn a two tangents. Let theta be the angle between them. Then we have tan theta is equal to modulus of root of s1 upon x1 plus a. This is the formula we have. Okay, so read the synopsis. Read the synopsis of the chapter parabola. There you will get this formula. So in this, what you got here, minus 2 comma minus 1. So here y square is equal to 4x we got. Okay, now, so here in place of theta, they are given alpha, of course. So now tan alpha is equal to modulus of root of S11 notation, you know. What is S11 means? Y square minus 4x is equal to 0. S11 means what? You have to substitute this point in the given equation, left hand side of the given equation. That is y square means minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 4x, x value is minus 2. So minus of minus plus total you will get here 8 upon x1 means how much? Minus 2 plus a value is 4a is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to 1. So this is equal to tan alpha is equal to root of 1 plus 8 is 9, root 9 is 3, 3 by 1 3. So tan alpha is equal to 3, 3 is your right answer. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this direct method. So you call it as a direct method. If you know the formula, you can easily solve this problem. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. The radius of a circle having minimum area which touches the curve y is equal to 4 minus x square and the line y is equal to mod x is. Whenever generally students, they saw this word minimum or maximum, they immediately think of that there we should have to find we have to create a function and we have to find out that minimum value f dash of x and f double dash of x, and again we have to equate f dash of x is equal to 0 and for maxima minima. Generally they will think like that, but don't think too much. Don't think too much that this problem is not needed that much calculations. First to draw the diagrams. Okay, what is the diagram? First one is y is equal to 4 minus. So y is equal to 4 minus x square. That is equal to y is equal to minus x square plus 4. So y is equal to minus x square plus 4 is a parabola. So clearly, so this is a x-axis and it is a y-axis, it is origin. First of all, y is equal to minus x is a parabola, open downward. So this is a y is equal to minus x square parabola. Plus 4 means what? 4 units it rises. So this is a 4 comma, this is a 0 comma 4. So this is your parabola. So this is a y is equal to minus x square plus 4 is a parabola. Clear? Right. Next one, y is equal to mod x. So you know the y is equal to mod x graph. So this is equal to y is equal to mod x graph. So this is equal to y is equal to x line. This is a y is equal to minus x line. This is x minus y is equal to 0. Now you have to find out a circle. Find out a circle, radius of the circle which have the minimum area and it touches the curve and the line. So that you have to take a circle which touches both the curve and the lines. That means this should be your circle, required circle. This should be your required circle, okay, which touches both the curve and the lines. Okay, you have to find out the radius of this curve, circle. Okay, generally students what they will thought, no, immediately they will thinking about the, finding the equation of the circle in terms of r and creating one function maxima minima. Now observe the options. In these 4 options you can eliminate 2 options. How? See here, he is asked to find out the radius of the circle. So here, see here, from 0 to a, what is the length? From 0 to a, what will be the length? 4 units. So it should be the 4 units. Since the circle is inside that, so your radius should be less than 4. Your radius of this circle must be less than 4. If you observe, see the first option. Here root 2 is 1.414 plus 1, 2.414 into time. So this is a 1.414 plus 1, that is 2.414. If you multiply it with 2, it is crossing 4. Therefore option A is not your answer. Okay, now coming to option D. So this is 1.414 plus 1. This is a 4 times, you are multiplying 4 times 2.414 means the radius is crossing 4. The radius is crossing the value 4. Therefore option D is also not your answer. Understand? So first try to eliminate the options. Here option A is eliminated and option D is also eliminated. So there is a possibility of the option B and C. Option B and C. That also you can easily guess, but you will do the problem. Okay. So see here, by just observing the diagram, I eliminated 2 options, A and D. So now it is selecting one option from 2 options. Is a very easy comparatively selecting one answer from 4 options. Okay. Now try to solve that problem. So first I will find out the radius. So this is the radius R. So what will be the center of the circle? What will be the center of the circle? So definitely if you observe the center of the circle, sure it will lie on the y-axis. Therefore its x coordinate is 0. What about y coordinate? Y coordinate, if you see, observe what is the value of this R. What is the value of this center? What is the value of CA? It is R. Total is 4. From 0 to A, it is total 4. 4 minus R is your y coordinate. So what will be this? 4 minus R. 4 minus R will be the center. So what is your center? 0, 4 minus R will be the center of the circle. Okay, now, so we want to find out the radius, right? So since this circle touches the line y is equal to x, we have the rule. The rule is R is equal to D rule. R is equal to D means what? What is R? R is the radius of the circle. What is D? D is the perpendicular distance from the center to the line. Perpendicular distance from the center to the line. So start writing. So your R is R. This is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under square root of x square plus y square. So what is your line? So this is your line. So that is a modulus of 0 minus y value is 4 minus R modulus close under square root of a square plus b square, that is 2. Okay. So this is equal to R is equal to modulus of 4 minus R by root 2. 4 minus R by root 2. So open the modulus. So this is a 4 minus R is equal to plus R minus root 2 R. Okay, now. So therefore first you take plus and you take minus. 4 minus R is equal to root 2 R. Therefore R times root 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So therefore r is equal to 4 by root 2 plus 1. Therefore r is equal to 4 times root 2 minus 1. So r is equal to 4 times root 2 minus 1 will be your correct answer. Sir, we will check for minus also. As you can take minus here. If you take minus, that means 4 minus r is equal to minus root 2 r. So this is equal to r is equal to 1 minus root 2, that is equal to 4. R is equal to 4 by 1 minus root 2. Something you are getting here negative value. Negative value here you are getting. So why? Because root 2 is something greater than 1. You are getting negative value. So this minus option will be removed. Therefore your r value is 4 times root 2 minus 1. So try to think in a logical way. Don't go for whenever the minimum is given, maximum is given, we have to apply the calculus concepts, nothing is there. So by observing the diagram, immediately I eliminated, that is A and D, option A and D. So your answer is C is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. The eccentricity of an ellipse whose center is at the origin is 1 by 2. So there is an ellipse is there, its center is at origin, its eccentricity is 1 by 2 given, clear. If one of its directrix is x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 is a line parallel to y axis and it lies 4 units to the left of y axis. Then the equation of the normal to it at 1 comma 3 by 2 is. So dear students, so without using pen and paper, just without doing any calculations, you can easily guess the answer. First try to draw the diagram. Okay. So the diagram is this. So x-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay. The center is at origin. And if one of its directrix is x is equal to 4. So this is equal to x is equal to minus 4. So that means this point is minus 4 comma 0. So if you observe, since the directrix is parallel to the y axis, so your ellipse must be horizontal ellipse. Okay, it should not be the vertical ellipse, horizontal ellipse. And one more thing is given that there is a point 1 comma 3 by 2. 1 comma 3 by 2 is a point in first quadrant. So this is a point in first quadrant. So this is 1 comma 3 by 2. From 1 comma 3 by 2 you have to draw the normal. Okay, that means there will be a tangent here. There will be a tangent. For this tangent you have to draw the normal. If you observe my dear students, so here if you draw the normal, your normal will be either this or maybe possible or this. Normal, maybe two possibilities. Can you draw the normal like this? Can you draw the normal like this? No, it is a tangent, it is your normal. That means equation of the normal, if you observe, x-intercept is positive, y-intercept is negative. Or x-intercept is negative, y-intercept is positive, like that. That means opposite sign should be there. Both cannot be same sign. Both cannot be same side. X-intercept is positive, y-intercept is negative. Second chance is x-intercept is negative, y-intercept is positive. Both cannot be positive or both cannot be negative. If you see the options, see the options C and D. Here both x and y intercepts are positive. So you convert into x by a plus y by b is equal to one form. Here x-intercept is positive, y-intercept is also positive, x-intercept is also positive, y-intercept is also positive. Therefore, option C and option D, E cannot be your answers. They cannot be, those two things cannot be your options. Okay. So why? Because since here it is a line, there is a tangent, it is a normal. So the normal should cross positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Otherwise, positive y-axis, negative x-axis. That means both x-intercept, y-intercept should be opposite side. So therefore, your answer is either A or B. Either A or B. Okay now. Then how to do the calculation part? Let us see the calculation part. So see here, first of all, eccentricity is given how much? 1 by 2. Eccentricity is 1 by 2 is given. One of the directrix is x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 means, so this is a minus 4. What is the distance between the center to this center to the directrix? This is A by E. That means A by E is equal to 4 units positive. That means A by E value 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, A is equal to 2. A value you got U2. Okay now. So coming to B value. So we have the formula. What is the formula? B square is equal to A square times 1 minus E square. A square value is 4. 1 minus E square value is 1 by 4. Total B square is equal to 3. So you know the A square value, of course A square value, B square value. What is the equation of the ellipse? X square by A square means 4 plus Y square by B square means 3. This is equal to equation of the ellipse. Okay, after knowing the equation of the ellipse, we know the direct formula to find the equation of the normal. So let us find the equation of the normal. Dear students, let us continue the solution. So what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal formula is, so we have the formula A square x by x1 minus B square upon y by y1 is equal to A square minus B square. So what is our A square? 4x by x1 means 1 minus B square means 3y by y1 means 3 by 2 is equal to A square minus B square. That means 4 minus 3. So it is clearly 3 will cancel. This is a 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. So therefore 4x minus 2y is equal to 1 is the correct answer. Okay now. So dear students, so the thing is, in the JEE Mains examinations also there is a possibility of elimination of the options. Elimination of the options are there. There are some bits are there which we can eliminate the some options. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fifth problem. The problem is from hyperbola. It was asked in 2017 mains for 4 marks. So if you observe, this such a type of easy problems are also giving in the mains examinations. Okay, don't think that all 30 problems will be difficult. Okay, there are certain problems which were very easy. It is almost equal to board level, your CBSE state board level questions. Okay, such type of question is this. So see the question. The eccentricity of the hyperbola whose length of the lattice rectum is equal to 8. On the whole, you have to find out the eccentricity. So 4 values are given. But if you observe, all these eccentricity values are greater than 1 only. All are greater than only. So you cannot avoid, you cannot eliminate any answer. You cannot eliminate any answer. Okay, so 4 by 3, 4 by root 3, 2 by root 3. If at all, if any possibility is there, you can, okay, all are greater than 1 only. So you cannot eliminate any answer, right? So you have to find out the eccentricity of the hyperbola, right? And whose lattice rectum is equal to 8 and the length of its conjugate axis is equal to half of the distance between its foci. So everything, so if you draw the diagram, everything will be easy. Okay na? So this is a foci. So first of all, what is the distance between foci? This is equal to 2AE. What is the length of the conjugate axis? This is equal to 2B. Length of the conjugate axis is 2B. Length of the principal axis is 2A. Everything we know that. So first given is, and one more thing is given. So what is the one more thing it is given? So the length of the lattice rectum. What is the length of the lattice rectum? 2B square by A. This is given as 8. So that is equal to B square is equal to 4A. B square is equal to 4A. So keep it like that. And one more thing is given. The length of the conjugate axis. The length of the conjugate axis. That means 2B is equal to half the distance between the foci. What is the distance between the foci? 2AE. What is half means AE. What the half means? AE, right? Everything is over. So first with b square now, we can put b square here by squaring. B square is equal to a square e square. 4 into b square value is equal to how much? So this is a 4b square. So is equal to a square e square. B square value is equal to, right, we can put equal, but the thing is better you put b square value. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. E square minus 1 is equal to a square e square. Okay, now you can cancel a square. So this is equal to 4e square minus 4 is equal to e square. So this is a 3e square is equal to 4. E is equal to 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 is your right answer. So if you observe thing, that means here b square 2b square by a is equal to this data, we did not use it anywhere, but just by the length of the conjugate axis is equal to half the distance between the foci. So here b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1, a square x square gets cancelled. Automatically we got the answer. E is equal to 2 by root 3. So dear students, so these such type of problems are asking in your JEE mains examinations. Okay, think logically, so have a fundamental grip over all the concepts. Okay, don't think overthinking. Stop overthinking. So think in a cool manner. Sure, you will get solutions of some problems. Okay, I hope that you understand today's problem. So let us see the tomorrow's class.